Hey everyone, you are in the right place because today I'm gonna show you how to remove a watermark from a video using your Canva. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, open the Canva app on your device and start a new project by selecting a video template or uploading your video file. There is a two options, crop method and cover method. So first of all, crop method. Tap on the video preview and select the cropped option. Adjust the edges to remove the watermark area, but keep in mind cropping might cut out parts of your video. If cropping isn't an option, you can use a shape to cover the watermark. Go to the Elements tab, select a shape like a rectangle or anything that can cover the watermark. You can resize it to cover the watermark. You can adjust the color or make it semi-transparent to blend it with the background. Once you are satisfied with your edit, tap on download button and choose video to export it without the watermark. So I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and take care.